Well, I say like this: entrepreneurship is not for everybody. Or to be an entrepreneur or starting your own business and owning your own business is not for everybody. So I want to first say that. So at Masternomics, we're not totally just we only help entrepreneurs. We help people professionally in whatever they want to do. Some people are in careers and they just want to excel in that career, and they can move up in management and ownership in some aspects. So we help people on every aspect. I myself am an entrepreneur, and there's nothing more gratifying than being an entrepreneur to me, the way I see it, because that is the way to total freedom. So I definitely think that everyone now, where we're at in society, in the way the world has changed, in the way that it continues to change, everyone should be looking in some form of ownership for themselves, a business for themselves. So I'm not saying that everyone should just quit their job or whatever, because some people do things that they love doing, or they're in professions that help them be fulfilled. But in some way, you have to have some sense of ownership. So when I'm talking about you become an entrepreneur or you stepping out and starting your own business, I'm talking about you having some sense of ownership, because that's what we're really talking about, and we're talking about energy. So if you're working for someone and you're trading your time for money, you're giving your energy to something that you don't control. Now, you might be all right or happy with even what you're getting compensated, what you're getting paid. In most cases, people aren't. But let's just say you were. The reality is you have no ownership in that. So someone else owns your time and they control your money. So even though you might be happy with the paycheck you get, you could lose your job. The corporation can go belly up. We've seen these things happen, and you're unemployed. And because you have not invested time into yourself and starting something of your own, even if it was on the side, you're not unemployed and you have no income coming. So what I'm talking about now is extremely important, and everyone should have something that they are doing. You should have some type of investment, some type of business to generate you income other than your job. To my true entrepreneurs that just only get it from out of here, from out the heart, from out the mud, definitely whatever you're doing, master it. Be the best at it. If you've been getting the same results for the past few years, you're not excelling. You're at a dead state. You're just here. But you got to go to the next level. You got to raise the bar. And that starts by get some of these courses that we have here at Masternomics. Buy some books. If you're not buying our books, buy someone's books that are taking your mind to the next level. Here at Masternomics, we focus on the mindset and shifting it. So you definitely need to have something of your own. And I'm here. The company is here to help you shift your mind so you can just go from being an employee to being at a lower level, self-employed, but understanding money, how it works, and understanding that investment in yourself, putting time in yourself, will change your whole life. You'll see the world from a whole new perspective, and you will start to become free and gain freedoms and have more access to the things that we all want and desire.